all working remotely, and I'm amazed to see how productive everybody is. Okay, so the productivity hack is someone said in my networking group that, I'm having trouble focusing and getting things done, and I'm usually so organized and such a hard charging person, and I'm not able to focus on my to-do list, and I'm not even sure what I need to put on my to-do list. And so what I said is this: make a did list, DID, the things that you did. Just start doing things. Do 3 things. Write them down, not on your to-do list, but to did list. And keep writing everything you down. And nothing's too insignificant. Returned a call, made a call, updated this, updated that, fixed this, emailed that. Keep doing that. Because what happens is at the end of the day, you've got a list and you see how much you've done and how productive you were and how much you can do. And not only is it going to make you feel proud and great, but it'll give you the momentum that you crave, that you need to keep going. Try it out. That's what I've done in volatile, crazy times, and nothing's been like this. So I make my did list. I started doing that a few weeks ago when I first started working from home. And for me, it works. It works wonders.